Okay, back again. Same bad channel, same bad time. It's Mike here with another video. I got a Kotobukiya, Artfx plus 1/10 scale model on the cheap. So I thought I'd take my shot at a kit bashing build or a Frankenstein build. These are awesome models, by the way. If you check out my channel, I'm a big fan of these things. I think they're really cool. But anyways, this is my interpretation, if you will, of a Sith training droid. This is this little buddy here. This is a BB-8 head, obviously, glued onto a micro machine droid body with a little plastic piece. The flame actually is from a alien accessory pack. I think I got a Toys R Us or something. Obviously C-3PO body. Like I said, I got it really cheap, so I just painted it all black. The lightsabers are from a Darth Maul kid toy, so I just cut his saber in half and then glued him on. Took this guy's hands off, obviously. The head, actually, believe it or not, is from a Dollar Tree. I do not know what it was. Some generic ninja figure, but I was impressed. I actually bought 2 of them. Then I glued a little backpack on there. But yeah, I don't know what a Sith training droid looks like, but somebody actually on the syndicate suggested. Because at first I had a cape on it, I was going to try to make like a bounty hunter. He's like, hey, build a Sith training droid. So I'm like, hey, that's a good idea, so that's what I went for. That's why I love this YouTube stuff, and you know, it allows me to connect with people way outside of my area here, because this type of stuff where I work gets you beat up, so I don't really talk about it. But thanks again for checking out my video. Let me know what you think. Have a good day.